What's up guys, it's Witchie Gaming back at it again, and we're back playing the Animal Jam Tag with Ryan combination, which is Dash Tag Part 2.
We're using Smokey.
Yeah. And let's play. Come on.
Okay, so guys, Jasmine, do you want to show them the new skins now, or do you want to play?
Play.
Okay. Jasmine, get off! Guys, if you haven't seen last video, go check it out.
Yeah, see Dash Tag Part 1?
If you didn't, well, you don't know which ones that we got first. And we're gonna see if we can catch some more.
Yeah. Ow, banged my head.
One of my missions is to tag one pet. Dash. Misha Panda. I want to bang my head. I want to bang my head.
Why?
Because I'm a bad boy. Oof, I died. Continuing. Smokey's a bad boy.
Oh yeah, he is.
Actually, it's Bandit who's a bad boy. I mean, why would Misha care about him? Right? Right?
Who?
Why would Misha care about Bandit?
I don't know.
Besides, where are these rocks coming from?
I know.
Jump, jump. Ew, I died.
Why'd you do that?
I don't know why I did not jump, but do you want to show them now, the pets?
You found no pets.
Yeah, but
Let's run.
wait, let's just show them the pets.
No. No.
Fine. You know what? I gotta change his dog lure chance.
Okay, wait.
Magnet duration. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna go, guys. Run. Away from Misha.
I think you guys saw some of the animals we got, but you didn't see all of them. So we'll just show you once we're done with this level.
We're gonna make like parts until we get all the characters.
Yeah. Sometimes there's duplicates of stuff.
Yeah, like one time I got.
Sparky again.
Yeah, you start out as Sparky though.
Could you stop banging?
Okay, I will never stop banging.
Ethan, what did you do?
I banged my head. Move your stinky feet.
We are not gonna show the skins until you get 2 pets.
Are you serious? How about 3?
Yeah.
Till we get a pet. Ooh, I almost died. Should I bang my head again?
No!
Why? Let's see them jump over still. That's good.
That scared me.
What?
Wait, you didn't. Why am I shaking my... Guys!
What if there was a
Please.
tripod?
Guys, please subscribe to Yolanda's canals, even though his channel isn't that good. Please subscribe.
Hey! You're being rude here.
Please subscribe, guys. It's to Yolanda's canal.
Even if it's bad? That's so mean, Jasmine!
Sorry.
You're
Okay.
the worst sister ever.
Well, I'm just telling them. Guys, please subscribe to Yolanda's canals. If you want to find Yolanda's canals, you have to search Yolanda's canals Fort Tour, and then press on Yolanda's, and then right below Fort Tour, then press the
logo.
channel, the logo, and you'll find his channel, because there's going to be a special thing happening in Yolanda's canals.
Tomorrow. It's like, I see one. It's very special. We're doing this at the nighttime.
Yeah,
Like, we're not even joking. This is actually gonna be real.
I know. We're doing this for
I think
real.
this is a dog. Yeah, we're actually doing this.
Yes,
Even if I know it might sound crazy when you guys see the video.
I know. So please subscribe to Yolanda's canals. And if you didn't get the thing right,
Oh, Lucy.
ooh.
He's cute. Take a pet.
And if you don't understand what I was about to say, then just replay the video so then you can understand.
And guys,
Or just hear me again.
if she says that my channel is bad again, unsubscribe. Like literally.
So guys, please subscribe to Yolanda's canals. So how to get in? This is just like a reminder. How to get in is to put Yolanda's canals Fort Tour, and then right below Fort Tour, press on Yolanda's canals logo, and then you'll find his channel. Then subscribe, because there's going to be a special thing.
Yeah.
So you can't miss it.
Yeah. Guys, you better subscribe to my video.
Yeah.
Or else you can never watch these videos again. Oh, that was so close. I think I see another one.
We got a cat.
Ew, I died. Ooh, I died.
That's real money, dude.
How much do I get for that? 100? I could just play with my own money.
It's the game. It's like money in your phone.
Let me just see something real quick.
Wait, guys.
Okay, guys,
Okay.
we're back. We were just checking in our wallet.
Yeah. Caught Lucy.
Okay, you know what? We're gonna catch one more. Wait. Like we always do.
Remember who J. Garcia is?
JB Garcia.
Who JB Garcia is. It is Samira from
the going to Disney with Samira.
Yeah. We're gonna play one more round, and then we'll show you all our skins.
So far.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Sorry, I'm trying to get comfy, guys.
I'm crouching I'm crouching a lot.
Why?
I want to crouch. Okay, dummy? Oof, I died. Why did I do that?
Now let's play again.
You know what, guys?
Because that was too quick.
Yeah, that's what I told Jasmine in the last video, and she was like, no. Ooh, we got more emeralds. Good. Great. Very great. We're only using these for like, yeah, you know, guys. Oh, hurry up. Remember when Jasmine said that this game was created first?
Yeah.
We don't know. It's just, we know that it's not copyrighted because the person that made this game made Tablet Run.
Yeah, so the creator of Dash Tag and Tag with Ryan, please answer a question. We don't know anything.
I know everything. She's not smart enough.
Excuse me.
It's true. She doesn't even know how to spell contribute. And she's in 3rd grade.
Ethan, stop embarrassing me.
But Jasmine, you don't even know.
Stop embarrassing me.
Stop. Wait a minute.
For the next 3 rounds, we're going to play with someone special, okay, guys?
Okay. Next 3 rounds?
Yeah, only 3 more rounds.
You said last round.
Like, the only 3 rounds we're going to play next, you know?
You said this was the last round.
No.
You lied. You little liar. And this is true. She doesn't even know how to spell contribute.
Ethan, stop embarrassing me. Stop embarrassing me.
Don't tell me it's Lucy again. Don't tell me it's Lucy.
Let me see. It doesn't...
Wait, it looks like... What's its name again?
I don't know.
Oh, I forgot its name.
Lucy?
No, like...
Summer? Oh, April?
Yeah, April.
Uh-oh. Is it a duplicate?
It is April.
It's April.
Ew.
Don't worry, I'll use him while
No, you
you're
can't
out
use it. You gotta use the one I choose.
Then, no, I'm switching my character to April while you're out of the house.
No, you're not. What if I take my phone? But you can't do anything about that.
Then I'll just play Animal and then I'll just watch videos on the tablet.
What if it has no battery, huh?
Then I have nothing to do.
How about not watch on the TV? I see another pet.
Oh,
Third pet in one
wait,
round.
what if someone's using the TV? Oh, I could just use this TV in our room.
What if Papa's putting my PlayStation on it?
I don't know. Wait, what is that?
It looks like a reindeer. Or a dog.
Another, what?
Is it a dog?
Maybe
It's a new one, though.
I know.
I know it's a new one. It's Zoe.
Zoe. He's a dog.
It's so cute.
Are you gonna use him?
If he has a field, if he has a boost, that's it.
What did you do?
I took off my shield. My crashing. See guys, this game gets harder and harder and harder. I don't know why Jasmine said it's so easy.
I don't know why. But it's kid friendly, so you can
it's
download
kid friendly.
it.
AJPW, get it. If you have like a tablet or a phone or like a Mac or like a PC, get AJPW please.
Now this tablet's very low this is low battery, so we need to hurry up with this video. So crash. Crash.
Oof, I died.
So we're gonna show you our skins. Don't you dare press it.
No, you know what?
Caught April.
No, we're actually... Here are our skins.
Yep.
Yeah. Of course, we got Sparky, Shelby, Fido, Baxter, Bianca, Lily, Party Pop, Oscar, Summer, Oscar, Clyde, Checkers, and Bandit, and April and Smokey.
April,
Lopsy. We got Amber. We got Archimedes and Butterscotch, and we also have Dasher. And we also
dashing
have
through the snow.
Lucy. Oh, I would use them. Wait. Okay. So, okay, and we have Zoe. We're gonna
Go with Dasher.
I want to stick with him. You know what? We're gonna go with Dasher.
Yeah, Dasher.
Dasher, Dasher, Dasher.
Hurry up, dude. This is low battery.
Okay, fine.
How many rounds are we gonna play?
1.
1? Okay, and the video ends. And
Yeah.
we'll do part 3. It might be lucky if you get a pet.
You know what we're gonna do?
Just that? Oh, you wasted some emeralds. Yay. You want to waste emeralds? You have no more to buy with.
Are you sure about that?
What? How much you have?
I had 13. I had like 13.
Now you wasted them.
I wasted all of them.
Thank you.
Except for 1. If she says that my channel is bad one more time, I'm gonna delete your channel.
Sorry guys, we didn't get any pets.
Okay, but guys, we're gonna show you something like real quick. Okay, we're gonna see what we get out of these chests.
And then the video ends. A reindeer.
Holly. Emerald, yes. Okay, but first we're gonna see all our lures. Oh, we have one. That's it.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching Witchy Gaming. The weird combination of Animal Jam and Tag with Ryan. Dash tag part 2. Goodbye.